We want to solve the system of linear equations using the elimination method, sometimes called the addition method. The solution to a system of equations is an ordered pair, or an x and y value that satisfies both equations. And the idea behind the elimination method is, if either the x terms or y terms are opposites, if we add these two equations together, either the x terms or y terms will have a sum of 0, leaving us with an equation that contains one variable, which we can then solve and perform back substitution to determine the value of the other variable. So to do this, we want the equations in standard form, where we have the x and y terms on the left and the constants on the right. Notice in our equations, the y terms are opposites. We have minus 2y here and plus 2y here. So if we add these two equations, the y terms will have a sum of 0. 4x plus 5x is 9x. Minus 2y plus 2y would be 0. And on the right we have 16 plus 11, which is equal to 27. So now we can divide both sides by 9 to solve for x. So we have x equals 3. Now remember, the solution consists of an ordered pair, meaning an x and y value. So we know x is equal to 3, but we still have to go back and determine the value of y. To do this, we'll substitute 3 for x in either equation 1 or equation 2. Let's go ahead and use equation 2. So instead of 5x, we'd have 5 times 3 plus 2y equals 11. Well, 5 times 3 is 15. Now we'll subtract 15 on both sides. So this gives us 2y equals negative 4. Divide both sides by 2. We have y equals negative 2. So our solution is the ordered pair 3, negative 2, or x equals 3 and y equals negative 2. And because we have one unique solution, we can classify this system as consistent, and the equations are independent. Let's go ahead and verify this ordered pair satisfies both equations. So using equation 1, we would have 4 times x, or 4 times 3, minus 2 times y, or 2 times negative 2, equals 16. Well, this would be 12. This would be plus 4 equals 16. So this checks. But we also have to show that it works in equation 2. So for equation 2, we'd have 5 times 3 plus 2 times negative 2 equals 11. This would be 15 plus negative 4 equals 11, which also checks. Now this is just an introduction to how the elimination method works. A lot of times when we're given the equations, the x terms or y terms will not be opposites, and therefore we'll have to multiply either one or both equations by a constant so that the x terms or y terms are opposites. We'll take a look at an example of this in the next video.